Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Spider Bite Pictures and Treatments. These spider bite pictures can help you determine if a wound could have been caused by a specific type of spider. Photos can help you identify a spider bite, which may look similar to other insect bites or can resemble different types of skin rashes or lesions. /r/n/r/n A serious bite from the black widow or brown recluse spider can cause severe skin changes and other problems. The effects of non-serious bites, which are more common, lead to minor symptoms. /r/n/r/n While reviewing typical reactions to spider bites, it's important to also understand signs that something is not a spider bite. /r/n/r/n Spider venom acts differently in humans than bites from a mosquito or flea or a sting from a hornet or bee. Even so, there may be some overlap in symptoms. /r/n/r/n The following are some of the telltale signs and symptoms of a spider bite. /r/n/r/n There are many different things that can cause a lesion to expand or spread. Though an expanding lesion is common in some spider bites, including a brown recluse spider bite, it can also occur with certain skin infections like impetigo. /r/n/r/n If you're unsure whether a lesion is growing, draw a line around it and monitor for any changes over the coming hours. Record the time so that you can report back to your healthcare provider if, in fact, the lesion is spreading. /r/n/r/n Bullseye rashes are most common in tick bites that cause Lyme disease, but a different type of bullseye can be caused by spiders. /r/n/r/n The bite of a brown recluse may develop a bullseye known as erythema migrans. At the center, there may appear a white blister surrounded by a red ring. The ring can turn purple or blue with time. /r/n/r/n This photo contains content that some people may find graphic or disturbing. /r/n/r/n Depending on the size and type of the spider that bites you, you may be able to see actual fang marks. These typically present with two small, side-by-side holes in your skin. /r/n/r/n Fang marks are sometimes seen with female black widow bites or male and female brown recluse spiders, which have hollow fangs, chelicerae. Venom is injected into your bloodstream through these fangs. /r/n/r/n This photo contains content that some people may find graphic or disturbing. /r/n/r/n Brown recluse spider bites can cause painful, purplish blisters that break open into ulcers. The ulcer forms as a result of the spider's venom, which is necrotic, meaning that it kills tissues. Necrosis occurs because the venom kills small vessels, called capillaries, that provide blood to surrounding tissues. /r/n/r/n This photo contains content that some people may find graphic or disturbing. /r/n/r/n Reproduced with permission from DermNet New Zealand www.dermnetnews.org 2023. /r/n/r/n Only two spiders in the United States are known to be extremely venomous. Mouse to humans, the black widow spider and the brown recluse spider. /r/n/r/n However, in rare instances, you may have an allergic reaction to another common spider, the wolf spider. /r/n/r/n A brown recluse spider is recognized by its dark brown color and violin-shaped body. Its bite may initially look like a flat area of whiteness, caused by the death of local capillaries and loss of blood flow. It will eventually turn black and blue as blood leaks from the disrupted blood vessels. /r/n/r/n After a week a brown recluse spider bite may look worse as the skin forms a purplish or blackish blister. The blister will then erupt into a painful, open sore, ulcer. /r/n/r/n Necrosis can appear either as dry, thick, leathery tissue or as yellow, green, or brownish tissues that are moist, loose, and stringy. When the ulcer heals, it can leave behind an ugly scar. /r/n/r/n Other whole body symptoms of a brown recluse spider bite include /r/n/r/n Brown recluse spider bites rarely kill people, but it's important to get medical attention as soon as you can because a bite can make you very ill. /r/n/r/n Black widow spiders are typically black with two reddish triangular markings on the underside of the hourglass-shaped body. /r/n/r/n Its bite may look less obvious than a brown recluse spider bite. You may feel a pinprick sensation and see two fang marks accompanied by local redness and swelling. /r/n/r/n Black widow venom works quickly, often within an hour, and may cause severe whole body symptoms like /r/n/r/n A black widow spider bite is unlikely to kill you but can make you seriously ill and may even require hospitalization. /r/n/r/n Wolf spiders, sometimes mistaken for brown recluse spiders, are recognized by their hairy bodies and multiple eyes, two medium eyes on the top, two large eyes in the middle, and four smaller eyes on the bottom. /r/n/r/n Wolf spider bites are usually harmless. However, if you are allergic, you may develop the following symptoms. /r/n/r/n Contact your healthcare provider if you experience any of these reactions. /r/n/r/n A variety of spiders are likely to bite if you disturb them. These bites are usually not serious. The American house spider and common arachnids found in nature, such as the following, are not dangerous. /r/n/r/n A bite from one of these spiders may only cause mild redness, swelling, and pain. However, even minor spider bites can become infected if you scratch or pick at them. /r/n/r/n If you notice increased redness, swelling, or pus, see a healthcare provider to check for an infection. /r/n/r/n If you are bitten by a spider, the chances are that the bite won't be serious. While this shouldn't suggest you should wait until symptoms are severe to act, there are ways to reasonably ascertain if a bite is not severe. This is especially true with respect to brown recluse bites. /r/n/r/n Multiple bites are not typically from spiders. In cases where there are multiple bites, they could be from insects that travel in groups such as mosquitoes, bedbugs, or chiggers. /r/n/r/n This photo contains content that some people may find graphic or disturbing. /r/n/r/n Brown recluse and black widow spiders prefer cool, dark places and are more likely to be found in an attic, barn, or wood pile. Many bites also occur when you roll over on a spider in bed or put on shoes or clothes that sat out on the floor overnight. /r/n/r/n If you have a rash or bite after working outdoors, it's likely due to poison ivy or another type of insect. However, a garden spider might bite you in these situations if you disturb them. /r/n/r/n Most spider bites occur during mating season from late summer into fall. Brown recluse and black widow spiders are most active between April and October when the weather is warmer and drier. Brown recluses are notoriously inactive during the rest of the year. /r/n/r/n With a brown recluse bite, the skin is more likely to be white, purplish, or black rather than red. Though some spider bites can cause a small, red bump, a lesion with a red inflamed center is not suggestive of a venomous spider bite. /r/n/r/n In cases like this, a skin infection is a more likely suspect. In fact, a lesion that is swollen, warm to the touch, or red at the center area could very well be due to a staph infection. /r/n/r/n This photo contains content that some people may find graphic or disturbing. /r/n/r/n If it takes a really long time for the lesion to heal, it is not likely due to a spider bite. Minor bites clear up quickly. /r/n/r/n Most brown recluse bites heal within 3 weeks and even the biggest ones heal within 3 months. Similarly, symptoms of a black widow spider bite usually take a few days or weeks to resolve. /r/n/r/n Even the most dangerous spider bites do not spread. Brown recluse bites are known for having dead tissues in the center of the lesion. However, the lesion itself is not going to be bigger than 10 centimeters across, roughly 4.5 inches. /r/n/r/n Venom from a brown recluse spider can cause blistering and the formation of a single ulcer. But this process is a slow one that takes an average of 7 to 14 days. If you have a bite that ulcerates before then, it's probably not a spider bite at all. /r/n/r/n While not many insect bites will require immediate medical attention, there are some situations where you should always seek care. /r/n/r/n If these symptoms are not involved, it's probably fine to keep the lesion clean and watch for any changes. /r/n/r/n Call 911 or rush to your nearest emergency room if you develop the following signs and symptoms after getting a spider bite: /r/n/r/n Black widow and brown recluse spider bites can be especially dangerous to children because of their smaller body sizes. If you suspect your child was bitten by one, seek emergency care. /r/n/r/n In most cases, a spider bite can be treated at home. /r/n/r/n To care for your wound. /r/n/r/n Any bite that worsens or becomes infected should be seen by a healthcare provider. /r/n/r/n If your bite is caused by a black widow, your healthcare provider may treat it with muscle relaxants or stronger opioid painkillers. In severe cases, an anti-venom can be given, but this is usually a last resort as it may cause anaphylaxis. /r/n/r/n If a brown recluse bite grows in size and becomes painful, your healthcare provider may prescribe antibiotics to prevent infection. If it is unclear that you've been bitten by a brown recluse, a tetanus shot may be given as a precaution, particularly if you haven't had one in the past 5 years. /r/n/r/n Most spider bites are harmless. The exceptions in the United States are bites from the brown recluse spider, which can cause a painful skin ulcer and tissue death, and a black widow spider, which can cause severe, whole-body symptoms. Even so, deaths from the brown recluse and black widow spider bite are rare. /r/n/r/n Knowing the signs and symptoms of a venomous spider bite can help you make an informed choice as to whether emergency medical care is needed or not. If in doubt, call or see your healthcare provider. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.